Good Tuesday afternoon. This is the Ohio AgNet, broadcasting from the Voice You Know with the News You Trust studio, sponsored by BASF and Veltima Fungicide. The proven number one for the toughest corn diseases with a long-lasting residual when you need to be confident your fungicide will perform. I'm Joel Norwood. In farm news, China continues shifting soybean purchases toward Brazil in June. U.S. soybean shipments to China fell nearly 21% from a year ago, while Brazilian imports climbed almost 14%. Through the first half of 2026, Chinese purchases of U.S. soybeans were down more than 42% overall. Meanwhile, corn and soybean groups welcoming the withdrawal of a petition seeking new duties on Chinese glyphosate. Grower organizations warned the proposed duties could have further increased already high crop protection costs. Mexico's ambassador to the United States says he expects the U.S.-Mexico-Canada agreement review to be completed before the end of the year. New trade talks begin this week. Here in Ohio, crop development remains ahead of normal as corn silking has reached 42%, soybeans in bloom at 55%, and winter wheat harvest 94% complete. And 5 Ohio 4-H members have been selected as National Roth Scholars. They'll join a 2-year leadership academy focused on community challenges, networking, and professional development. Those members include Jana Cormack, Trey McCullough, Addie Sloan, Kendall Wild, and Sadie Willamy. On the livestock front, USDA's July meat outlook has the USDA once again tightening its beef production forecast, leading to a rise in projected steer prices. World Agricultural Outlook Board Chair Mark Jekanowski.
We raised our steer price forecast for 2026 by 94 cents per hundredweight. Now it is at $251.10 per hundredweight, and we expect that strength to continue into 2027, given the tight supplies. That price forecast was raised by 50 cents per hundredweight to $254.25.
Further details.
Lowered this month. For this calendar year, what we're observing is lower steer and heifer slaughter. The 2027 reduction mainly reflects lower placements in the second half of 2026, which will result in fewer available steers and heifers for slaughter in 2027.
USDA's Mark Jekanowski. Let's talk about market numbers after today's trade in Chicago. From the Board of Trade, September corn closed at $4.52 3/4 per bushel, up 3 1/4. December new crop corn up 2 1/4 to $4.75 1/4. August beans down 6.5 cents to $12.19 1/2, while new crop beans lost 3.5 today to $12.22 3/4. September wheat up 4 cents to $6.78. On the livestock side, August live cattle 15 cents higher to $226.68, and at the Mercantile Exchange, September feeder cattle down $1.28 to $344.98. August lean hogs 23 cents higher to $101.50. Milk class 30 for August 17 cents up to $17.59. Reporting for the Ohio AgNet, I'm Joel Norwood. Find more farm news at ohioagnet.com. Thanks for tuning in.